Chris and I have been tent camping for a really long time, and last year we bought our very first campervan, and we've been using it, it's nearly a year, isn't it? Nearly a year. And we've been using it a lot, but this is the first time we've been out properly this year. So it's March, springtime, it's a beautiful day. What's the temperature?
17 now.
17 degrees. Wow. And it feels really warm. And we're very excited today because we are going to a campsite that we've never been before. My brother and his wife Sarah have been a couple of times, and they've said that it's a really lovely campsite. It's quite special. And the reason it's special is because the facilities are supposed to be amazing. It's supposed to have lovely bathrooms, like really nice showers, and I think even the showers have heated floors, and it's also got a swimming pool. I've taken my wetsuit as well because I'm not sure I'm going to be able to brave the cold weather. Let's see how cold it is. But yeah, it's got a swimming pool, it's got a gym, it's got places, it's got an outdoor pizza oven and things like that. So we're going for a couple of nights, and we can't wait to try it out. And we're taking you with us. To see what you think as well.
I love these lights.
What are you cooking, Mark?
Cassoulet. It's basically like the stew that you're probably going to cook, but better.
It's a giant pan.
So we're doing.
That's one of your pans.
Pork.
Oh, is it?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, you changed
And your assistant's not being very helpful.
We went for a snag, which I think you have seen, the snag, and then it kept breaking, so they replaced it, and we had no option. So we've been dragged, kicking and screaming. And we love it. It's so great to
Yeah.
clean. Yeah.
Oh, it's brilliant.
And we're both really messy cooks, so it's really
We struggle a little bit with our outdoor gas barbecue as well. Just trying to clean it. I just normally
This is the gym. Amazing facilities, actually. Got rowers, all sorts of torture devices. And outside there's like an assault course. I think it's extra to do the assault course, but using the gym is part of the price of staying here. Hello. Oh, leg press. Love a leg press. Oh, look, there's another studio in here. Really good gym. Right, I'm off for a workout. a good, really good workout. And look, I still have the gym to myself. So really, really great gym here. And it looks like the assault course is empty as well outside. Let's have a look. Yeah, look, totally empty. Yeah, so definitely worth trying out the gym here at Love2Stay, and it's called Love to Live Fitness. So it's a really lovely stay at Love2Stay in Shrewsbury and in Shropshire, and we've been very, very lucky with the weather. It's been glorious weather. So last night my brother made dinner. He made a cassoulet, and we sat out. It was quite warm. It was quite warm to sit out. And then this morning we did some yoga together, and we sitting in the sun. We had breakfast. We had some BLTs for breakfast. And we've just come back from a walk, so we had a nice walk all around the campsite. And now my brother Mark and Sarah have gone to give Sid, their dog, a wash. So they've got dog washing facilities, amazing facilities here. So they've got an outdoor swimming pool. Unfortunately, it's shut at the moment, and well, unfortunately. But Chris is thinking, fortunately, I didn't think he fancied swimming. So they've got an outdoor pool, they've got a gym, they've got like an outdoor, sort of like a big assault course thingy as well. I'll show some video, take some video footage of it to show you. But they've got amazing facilities. But the really nice thing is it's very spread out. So we are camped next to my brother, so our van is behind me here, and then in front of us over there is my brother's. So we're camped right next to each other, which is lovely. But there's a lot of space. There's a huge amount of space. We're not sort of on top of each other at all. There's a big toilet block, and very, very clean, like it has to be. The nicest campsite toilet block I've ever seen. Very, very clean. And then on actual pitches, it's like fully serviced. So they've got the water, the electric hookup. As long as you've got the green chemicals, you can chuck other kind of waste down there. And yeah, so lovely stay. This is day 2. I have to show you the view. Look at this view. Let me turn the camera around. Look at this view. Beautiful, massive oak tree here. That's the Kadak that I made breakfast on. Hello, Chris. There's our van. This is the escape pod. There's Green Eyes. And then it was a little bit windy this morning, so we set out this little area for us all to chill out, and place for the dog. And this was our view doing yoga this morning. How amazing is that? And then this is my brother's van, Diego. This is Diego. This is Diego's eyes. Cute. So cute. Lovely little van. Yeah, so if I pan around, you can see it's busy. There are a lot of vans here, but everybody is very spread out. Really well spread out. So you don't feel on top of each other at all. So we're just going to chill out for a little bit now after quite an active morning, but fun active. And then I'm going to make some dinner. So I'll see you later. Oh, you were clean, Sid. I got this box from Riverford. I'm not sponsored. I just really like the produce, really like the veg. And I got some veg. This wasn't from there. I got some broccoli, butternut squash, courgettes, pepper, and carrots, and leek, muddy leek. So I am gonna shove it all together with a bit of meat, a bit of thyme, some red wine, and make a lovely stew for dinner. Another beautiful, peaceful morning here at the campsite. Birds are singing. So quiet. I think we're going to go and try out the swimming pool. Let's see how cold it is. Such a gorgeous morning.
Take a picture of breakfast.
We have just left Love2Stay in Shrewsbury after a really, really lovely weekend. We did go and dip into the pool. There were loads of other people around, so I didn't want to film. I didn't think people appreciate being filmed. It was really cold. It like hurt. It was so cold, but it was refreshing. And then they had like little hot tubs to jump into afterwards. So amazing campsite. And there are not many campsites that have such brilliant facilities like the gym, swimming pool, loads of really good facilities, cafe, things like that, and really, really wonderful weekend. And we were lucky with the weather, and I think that made a big difference as well. So, Chris, what's your 3-word review?
Probably luxurious, chilled, and amenities.
Luxurious, chilled, and amenities. Cool. And I think mine is space, gym, and pool. And not many campsites that have those either. Right. Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And see you on the next one.